Yeah, we want the juice of half a dozen virgin male oranges. Okay.
Hello! This morning, I'm cooking with Fergo. We're going to make Gluhwien. Gluhwien is a pleasant little drink, often enjoyed at ski resorts. It's made from a combination of red wine, oranges, cinnamon, nutmeg, heat, and a touch of personality. Well, let's see how it's made. First task is to cut up the oranges. Cut them in half so that you can juice them easily. Luckily, I prepared one already. Right, I'm about to juice the orange. Now these are very noisy machines, that's probably why Breville didn't sell too many of them, but they're very useful in the kitchen.
Take out.
Time for a drink.
Are we still on camera? Sorry, take two.
Right, of course you must juice more than half an orange. Luckily I've prepared some already. So I'll just pour the contents of this orange in with the other one. That was easy, wasn't it?
Okay, cut. Okay, now we've got to the stage where we can add the ingredients to the heated wine. The wine is in the pots at the moment. This is just a little bit in my glass that I'm using to taste test. But here we have over here the wine in the pots. Notice we turn the handles inwards because we believe in safe cooking practices. We do not share ladles in our kitchen and we try to always to wear rubber gloves. What we have to do, on this occasion nobody else is drinking the stuff except me. But mitts are quite acceptable. And here we've got a great assorted collection of designer gloves for the perfectly dressed elephant. Because, of course, elephants have got thumbs on the other side of their hands. Which just causes problems for humans. But thank God there are no humans in the kitchen. Okay. Now, we have to add to the wine a number of ingredients, as I was saying. The first of these ingredients is the honey. You can't see your face. This honey is specially extracted from male killer bees in Saudi Arabia. So it's lethal stuff, it's very potent. It's actually, you should handle it with tongs because it's so strong. You should have done this before. Okay. Now, what we have to add the honey to the wine, being careful not to drip it all over the bench. And without getting it caught in the fur. Now this is a very important part of safe cooking practices. The fur should always be kept clean and sanitary. And we endorse for this Ajax. Ajax is the best thing for keeping your hide clean. Thank you, Fergo. Now, the honey is added with great deliberation and skill because, as everybody knows, honey and wine are volatile together. And if you're not careful, they can explode. Now, we're not really sure exactly how much we have to put in here, but we're going to try. Right, one more spoonful into this pot, and then the other pot, as you see, is larger than this one, so we're going to put 3 spoonfuls. And while we're doing that, let's go and have a look at Jessica. Okay. No, off. You've got to cut. Hold on a second.
Rule 1 of cooking, never dip your paw in the claret, otherwise you have to rinse it out.
And it's a painful experience for any of us. Alright.
How are you, mate? Yeah.
Go.
Yeah. Okay then.
Cut.
Yes, I will be.
Okay. Next, ladies and gentlemen, we've got to put the orange juice and the other ingredients into the wine. The orange juice goes in first because it has to heat up.
And we've already prepared some.
As we've said before, several times. In goes the orange juice. Now, not too fast, not too much, because we've got to share it between two bowls. A little bit more over in here. Be careful to keep it away from the sleeves, because the dry cleaning bill is enormous. Okay, we'll stir that up a little bit. We don't really have to stir it too much because claret and orange juice usually mix pretty easily. But you can see here we've got a hell of a lot of booze already. A hell of a lot of booze. So much booze, in fact, that we just want to go all day and all night. In fact, I feel like doing it again. Okay.
Rule 1 of cooking, always hold your trunk erect.
You better keep your trunk out of the way. Most elephants don't realise this, and they tend to look really stupid, like me. I'm just practicing Tai Chi at the moment. This is Tai Chi in the kitchen for beginners. Yes, here we are back, boys and girls, to add the nutmeg and the ginger to our special concoction. The nutmeg is special nutmeg from Cabramatta, no, India. In India it says. And we're going to add the nutmeg now. We do most of our shopping in Cabramatta, don't we, Fergo? Take it easy, boy. You've got a long way to go. Just a dash.
Just a tad.
Not too much. Now, bit of a stir. And now we put the ginger in. The ginger is also from India. And as you can see, it is like brown drugs. And we're going to add that without flinching, but only a little. You notice we use less of the ginger than we do of the nutmeg. And the rest goes on the stove. Okay, now at this point in time, sugar is needed. And the sugar, just plain old brown sugar. And we're going to stick it right in there. 1, 2. 2 for that one. 1. Better make 4. 2. 3. Excuse me, I'm just about to sneeze. And stir it all up a little bit.
Blending, blending, blending.
Layer upper layer, upper layer.
Well, could you come in here and look down on this, please?
Oh yes. Actually, we should have a catch. Oh no, we have a pan.
Oh, a fan. Ha ha ha.
Oh yes, ha ha ha. Jolly good what? What's the plan for? Okay, now can we manage to get that to the box? To the serving receptacle? Cut. Now we have to take this pot, that's a trunk, this pot of Gluhwien and upturn it into the serving pot. And of course it's a
It's a tricky one for an elephant, actually.
yeah, it's a difficult one for an elephant, especially an elephant with laryngitis. Oh yes, it looks nice. You notice the brownish colour. That's due to all the bullshit I've been spinning over the past 12 minutes. It's such a turkey. Okay. Wacky do. Now, into the glass. Into the glass. Carry it. I take the pot into the other room. Alright, cut. You should just have a straight cut from the other room. Oh. Cooking with Fergo, take 7.
Beauty.
Hi. We're just about, can you get a fucking cigarette out of my face? We're just about to take the Gluhwien into the other room so we can serve our guests. Hello, guests. Are we ready to be served?
This is like mulled wine.
Yes, it is. Absolutely gorgeous.
Is the orange smoking in it?
Oh, the orange is sort of mixed up.
It smells like rather alcoholic, doesn't it?
does. It is.
It's got
It is.
connotations of drunkenness.
Yes.
All the glasses shatter.
Actually, that's probably a point.
You should put a metal spoon in
Is
them.
it boiling hot or just warm?
So it draws it away from the glass.
It seems to be looking very boiling hotish.
Everybody's got to say thank you very much, Fergo.
These glasses withstand heat, you think, huh? Anti-culture.
Fergo is quite limited in his vocabulary. He only understands culinary
You're hitting the
terms.
wall, Nicole. You're hitting the wall.
So if you knock those out.
This man has just made Gluhwien.
Inside an elephant.
Okay,
Must be
stand
70.
back,
Must be 70 up.
and
in there,
around.
mate.
Into the other room, thanks, girls. We've got to have a chorus now.
He's just makes your face scoot up a bit.
It does.
I'm
Press
working
it
pretty.
really hard. Squish it there. That.
Can we postpone breakfast till Tuesday? Yep.
Actually tastes like grape bubblegum.
It's starting again.
Oh, it's got an interesting flavour. It actually tastes like grape bubblegum.
Wow.
I think you can tell that it was made by an elephant.
Did you lick the elephant? No, you're not supposed to lick the
No,
elephant.
the elephant stuck his trunk in my mouth.
Now,
I'll feed you peanuts.
Full-bodied,
See if you can just catch me.
the wine is divine. I'm grateful for it. It'd be better for me.
I think you dribbled.